Welcome to Violin Adventures number 76. We started working on the YouTube violin. Okay, hi everyone. Here's our top. Today I'm going to try to finish it up and get all the graduations down. So the first thing I'm going to do is check and see where my graduations are and mark them. Okay, so we have 1.5 to 2 millimeters we got to take off, and a lot of it is right down the middle, so I'm going to get to work and see how quickly I can get this done. Okay, I just took a little bit off here, and wow, the tone really popped out. Here it goes. So the tone is really coming out. So I'm going to run over it again, check where I'm at, and see what else I need to take off. Okay, at last we got it down. It's got a really nice tone, and I don't think you can really hear the tone when I stand back here and tap it. So I'm going to come up closer to the camera and see if you can hear it any better. It's got a good tone, and now all I have left to do is scrape this down, make it all smooth, and then we can go to cutting out the sound holes. Okay, I've been scraping away. That part is done. Now we'll hear it one more time. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really echoing. So it's got a good tone. And here I'll show you there's our little branch. Some of it has gone away, and there's just little remnants right there. Where it's placed, I don't think it's really that much of a problem, so I'm going to leave it. And here it is on this side. So it's basically got its own birthmark. Now it's time to lay out the sound holes. All right, there we go. That's our sound holes pretty much finished. I think I'm going to stop. It's near the end of the day. And so now we're going to put in the little slots for the F. Next we had an order for 6 candles, and they were tall ones. Here's our candles. We got an order for some tall ones here. So I'm doing probably about foot-long candles, and we need about 6 of them. So I'm pouring the molds, and then maybe tomorrow we'll start carving. Back to more work on the YouTube violin. Well, it's time to get a good bass bar. So I picked out a nice good piece of wood that has a lot of nice straight grain, and I'm going to fit it into this violin. Oh, okay, we've got it down to a rough shape. Definitely not the shape that we want, but closer to it. And now I'm going to fit it perfectly to the top. Okay, I'll see you once I get it all fit. Okay, we got this fitted very nicely. And the next step is to make some new fresh glue, and then we can glue it on to the top. Here's our bass bar. A nice fit, and it's not carved to shape yet. This is still a rough piece of wood, but we're going to go ahead and make the glue. We're also going to need glue to close it up eventually, so I'm going to make a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. That looks good. Okay, there's our glue bottle. We'll come back when those granules are all expanded. Okay, we're ready to glue the bass bar on. So I'm going to get the rest of my clamps and we'll glue it on. Okay, that should be enough clamps. And we've got fresh glue that's been cooking for a couple hours, so now it's ready to use. Okay, it's all ready to go. So here's our violin with the bass bar getting glued in. And a surprise box came in the mail. Okay, I got a special box from a special person, and I need to open it and find out what's inside. guys, this is awesome. I know what it is now. This is going to match something I already have. There we go. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. More drawers. And they've got dividers in them, and they match my other set. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more drawers to add to my, I think I have 700 drawers. So we've got 706. And this matches my other ones. I'll show you guys. This matches these. So I have more drawers for more supplies. Thank you very much for this. This is awesome. Well, here's the weather, everyone. This is a great, beautiful day today. Lots of nice sun, and the green is coming back. And now we'll take a look down here at the creek. Well, here's our creek. The Hebrew Minute. Ach hu tzari vishuati mishgavi lo emut rabbah. Surely or only he is my rock and my salvation, and this root word is Yeshua. Mishgavi, my refuge. Let's see, I will not be greatly moved or troubled. Thank you all so much for watching, for your thumbs up, which helps the algorithm, and your comments, which I enjoy reading. And to the new subscribers, thank you very much. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.